What's going on, 50 gang? It's your boy 50D. I'm back here with another video, and today we finally got our wheels and our rims for our Nightmare. A big huge shout out to Steeda Performance for sending these Velgen Class 5 wheels, and then also the Nittos 5 GS2s. If y'all don't know, that's why we're gonna be putting a 315, 35, 20 in the back, and a 275.
Idiot!
35, 20 in up front. Anywho, what I got right now is all the way around square setup. We're gonna be going staggered, very aggressive. Hopefully the original bolts can go on these. I don't know if they are or not, but we're gonna find out when we get to the tire shop. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around how the car looks right now and afterwards. But y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe, and also use code SOCIAL5 from Steeda Performance to get a 5% discount. I appreciate them for sponsoring this video, and we out. Peace. Pretty sure I already know this, but I got most of the wheels. Actually, I already got all 4 wheels somehow in my car. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. And then the rest is on my girlfriend's car, of course, because the boxes, the actual rims will not fit in here, as you would know. I think I got like one in the back. Yeah, big old tire on the back. But anyways, we're finna go discount tires and have them mounted and, you know, put it in and whatnot. So I'll be back once that's finished, so y'all can see how the car looks with tires on. Don't worry about the Nittos. I'm gonna put it on the black tires, of course. I just gotta wait till the rest came in. But now I'm digging this rear diffuser though. This is put it live. All right, I'll be back. This is how the car looks right now with no wheels. Well, stock wheels anyways. This is the side. So as y'all can see, they already got the car lifted up. Right now, they're finna start taking off the wheels and mounting them in the back. If y'all can see the black wheel over there. So that's all I'm waiting on them to finish up with. They just lifted the car in the air, and I'll be right back with you when they're finished. Okay, and we're back, and they already got all the wheels off. So now they're still mounting the other wheels onto the rims. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see how it's gonna look. I already heard good things about the Nittos, so I'm ready to go ahead and put the pedal to the metal. And there go both of the tires looking fat as hell. Just ready to get put on the car. Oh, look at that meat, look at that meat. Sheesh, got one of them on already. Finna put the back one on right now. Back on my old wheels over there. If you're interested in buying them, just let me know, hit me up, and we can work out a deal, because I will be trying to sell these later on down the line, or I might use them for something else if nobody wants them. But he's finna put on the back tire and we're finna see this bad boy roll out of here. What the car looks like now with the 275s up front and 315s in the back, it definitely got a lot of that wheel space out of there. And it's definitely a super wide tire in the back. Our girlfriend's gonna drive it around, is what she wants to do. So I'm gonna have her take it around real quick. Of course, I'm gonna have to clean it up. And then I will be adding those extra tire stickers, but it just makes the car look definitely more aggressive. I definitely wanted black wheels, and now I got them. Just slow, just do a circle. Huh? That way. She just wants to drive the car. Y'all don't mind her. Look at her. She trying to do donuts now. Run me over. Yeah, it didn't feel different driving, but it actually does. But then again, like, she don't drive it as much as me. But I know how my car feels, and I can tell you it's a big difference. Oh, shit. Yeah! Especially with traction, it does hook. I can tell you that. It definitely hooks. I left her all the way in the back. Poor baby. She probably wasn't expecting that. And then again, I have both of these tires still up in here, and then she has the rest of my tires. But it does hook. I can tell you that much. Definitely does. And it looks nice. I like how it looks. It looks real nice. But let me go take it to this side of where I take my videos, and we'll be back. So this is a side-by-side comparison of my stock wheels and the Velgen wheels that I have put on my car. And to me, they look pretty good. So